How to sign into your Alight Motion application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily sign into your Alight Motion application. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your Alight Motion app and just tap on this top right corner, that is profile icon. And once you tap on that, you can see there is the option that is sign in button. So just tap on that and you can actually sign in with your email or your Google account as well as your Facebook account as well. So for now I'll simply tap on this sign in with email and simply enter my email. And once I enter my email, a sign-in email with additional instruction will be sent to that particular Gmail which you just provided. You just have to check your email to complete the sign-in. So let me just quickly select my email inbox over here. Now from here, just tap on this link that is sign in to Alight Creative and just wait for a few seconds. And just like that, you have successfully created an account or logged into your account on Alight Motion. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.